Hello my dear students, a very good morning to all of you. As you know, in previous class we have discussed with exercise 4.4. In that up to 5th problem, in that we have solved two problems. So here there is a one correction in the second problem. Just check it down and make the corrections, okay? So here you can observe the x cube 3x square minus 9x minus 5. So whatever we solved, that is okay, but here you can observe the minus 1. As we have considered, the minus 1 is the one of the term. So we have solved minus 1 cube. So we are substituting the minus 1 value in the given equation. Yes. So minus 1 cube minus of 3 into the bracket x square means minus 1 square minus of 9 minus of 1 minus 5. So here minus 1 cube is minus of 1. So it is a cube means it will be minus. So I have written that one as a positive. So make the correction. Then again the whole thing will be changed because minus 3 and minus 1 will be minus 4 and plus 9 minus 5 it is plus 4. That means it is equal to 0. Then that time this term will become equal to 0. So even though if you solve by taking x is equal to minus 1 or x plus 1 is a one of the factor, if you consider, that is also okay. But here you can observe x is equal to 5, we got equation is equal to 0. So we have divided the term given equation by x minus 5. So this is also right. So instead of going, I solved for the plus 1. Yes, after that I went for the minus 1. If at all I have went plus 1 to plus 5, then it will be right. So now also it is okay, no need to make any corrections there. Just you write here x plus 1 is equal to 0, maybe the factor, otherwise just make it in the bracket like this. So this is okay. When you can solve by taking x plus 1 as the factor and long division method, same answer you will get, because this whole equation, this whole whatever the quadratic equation they have given, that always has the 3 factor. Yes, so that factor is x plus 1 and x minus 5. If you solve this quadratic equation divided by x plus 1 also, you will get the same answer. Okay, so just you should not get confused that minus 1 cube ma'am wrote positive 1. So that's why I did the correction there. So it is a minus 1. Minus 1 cube will be minus 1. So no need to worry, just write it this one as the extra. And if you want, you can solve by x plus 1. Long division method by x plus 1. Whole thing is right. Okay. So after that, homework questions. So there is a correction because I observed that questions from a question paper. Then I thought that it may be right, but there is some confusions. So that terms will not factorize completely. Okay, so that time what you have to do, if in question paper such type of questions will came, means how much it is possible to factorize, that much you solve and keep it the answer of factorization like that only. Okay, just we will solve that one, and that solved method I will send it to you. Pic I will send, so you observe that one, and it will go by the long division method. After that the answer will come x square plus, I will show you that one. This is your first question. Roughly I solved. Okay, just make it the corrections there. So we got the one factor, that is x plus 1. So when we considered x is equal to minus 1, we got x plus 1 as the one factor. So from that we are dividing the term, we will get x square plus 1. So as it is x square plus 1, the middle term x term is not there, so we are considering 0x, but it will not factorize again. So it is not possible to factorize, because you know that whenever we are factorizing the terms, the bracket term should come same. So if it is not coming, then you keep it the answer here only. Just write the factors equal to 1 you got, just write it that one, that much. Okay, so if question came like that, means factorized term you have to solve, but it is not factorizing completely, then only write the one factor what you got, but don't leave blankly. Okay, how much you know, that much you solve. And after that another equation, that is also same. So So one factor we got x plus 2. Yes, so that is x plus 2 you can solve by the method. So what you have considered. So I got from the x plus 2, that means minus 2 if you consider p of minus 2 if you substitute in the equation. So you will get that one. Yes, it is p of, this I have checked for p of plus 2. Here it is p of minus 2. Roughly I calculated, okay. Just make properly. So this one is what we got, x plus 2 factors. So x plus 2 factor and the equation x square x and 3. X square plus of x plus of 3. So we have to divide that one. Yes, we have to factorize. So again it is not possible because 3 ones are 3 or 1 3s are 3. Only it is possible, but it is not possible to get 1x value by adding or by subtracting. So that's why again it will not factorize. So only the factor we can write here as which one we took, x plus 2. So that's it. Okay, so this is about previous class. So whatever it is there, and today we will move towards remaining two problems of the exercise 4.4. So I hope you have understood how to divide the terms. Be perfect with these things, okay, because this is needed further also. So just solve it by a proper method with proper steps. So I have observed so many of you have solved neatly, but there are some confusions like how to divide, how to take the terms, and taking the sign you have to change the sign. So steps you have to follow properly, then definitely you will get the answer. Okay, so just move it towards our 4.4 exercise. In that fifth one, the third problem. So same method we are following. First one is trial and error method. You have to guess, you have to check the constant term. Before that you have to check the equation. It is x cube, x square, x to the power 1, x to the power 0, the constant term. So after that you have to check the constant term. So which is the constant term? It is a 20. So 20 will come in the table 1, 2, in 3 table it will not come, 4, then 5, then in 6 table it will not come, 7 it will not come, 8 also, 9, 10 it is not possible, then so itself it can go. So all are positive terms. You can consider negative terms also. So minus 4, minus 5, minus 20. So all these are positive. So from any one we will check. So first we will go for p of minus 1, that is x is equal to positive 1 we will consider. So that means p of 1. So equation is x cube. So 1 cube, directly I am solving. 13x square, so it is a 1 square, plus of 32, 1 plus of 20. So 1 cube is 1, plus of 1 square is 13, plus of 32, plus of 20. So 13 plus 1, 14. So 14 plus 32 plus 20. 30, 40, 50, 52. So 52 plus 14. So it is 62. 62 plus of 4, that is 66. So which is not equal to 0. So the p of 1 will get cancelled. Yes. So as it is not equal to 0. So now consider p of minus 2. So that means minus 1 we will take. So x is equal to minus 1 we will consider. So here, so minus 1. So whenever you are checking, just check plus 1 minus 1, plus 2 minus 2, plus 4 minus 4, like that you can check. So minus 1 cube plus of 13 minus 1 square plus of 32 minus 1 plus of 20. So minus 1 cube is minus 1, plus of 13 minus 1 square is plus 1. So 13 into 1, that is 13, minus 32 plus of 20. So now minus 13 plus 20, as it is the positive terms we will add those things. So 20, 33. So here minus 32 and minus 1 it is there. So means bigger number sign minus. So you have to add the terms. 32 plus 1, that is 33. So it is positive and negative. That means it will get cancelled. The answer is equal to 0. We can say this one as our factor. So x is minus 1 means x plus of 1 which is equal to 0. So x plus of 1 is our given factor then. So once you got the factor, what you have to do? You have to go for the long division method. So just divide the term by x plus 1. So x cube plus of 13x square plus of 32x plus of 20. So you are dividing the term now. So first x cube divided by x. So in cube, one x will go, means remaining is x square. So this x square you have to keep in a quotient term. So x square into x, x cube. X square into x, 1x, that is x cube, plus of x square into 1 plus of x square. Now next step is, if you forgot this changing sign, then everything will go wrong. So be careful with those things. Positive get changes to negative, positive get changes to negative. Now observe, this is positive and negative. So positive x cube, positive negative x cube. So it will get cancelled. Here positive 13 and here the coefficient is 1. So in plus 13 minus 1 get cancelled. As the variables are x square, the coefficients we can subtract. 13 minus 1, it is 12x square. So as bigger number is a positive, so it is a positive, plus of 32x plus of 20. So 12x square. So from 12x square, this is divided by the term x. So in x square, x get cancelled, means remaining is 12x. So this 12x, as it is the positive, so I am writing that one here. So 12x, 12x into x, 12 into 1 is 12, x into x is x square, then again plus 1. So 12x into 1, so plus of 12x. So now change the sign, as it is positive changes to negative, positive changes to negative. Yes, then subtract the terms. 12x square, 12x square get cancelled. From 32, 12 minus 2 minus 2 is 0, 3 minus 1 is 2, so it is 20x plus of 20. Sign you observe, as it is a bigger number, so it is a positive, that means it is a positive. Then again it is 20x divided by x. So x get cancelled, remaining is 20. So plus 20, plus 20 into x. So 20x plus of 20 into 1, that is 20. So change the sign. So positive get converted to negative. So it is positive and negative x terms. So it will get cancelled. It is positive and negative. So 20 minus 20. So it is 0. That means our remainder 0. So remainder must and should come as a 0. Now you got a equation. Yes. So that is x square plus of 12x plus of 20, which you have to factorize. So is it possible to factorize? Just check it down. 20 into x. So you know that we want two terms multiplied to get the answer as 20, and that same term addition or subtraction we should get a 12. Then to get a 12, so first think about multiplication. So 5 4s are 20, but 5 plus 4 it will not become 12. Then in 20 will come in which table? 10 2s are 20, so 10 plus 2 will come. So 10 2s are we will consider. So 10 2s are, so 10 plus of 2, that means 12x can be factorized as 10x plus of 2x. So that time we will get a 12x. Yes. So x square, this we are factorizing. So plus of 10x plus of 2x plus of 20. So x into the bracket, as we are making the pair and we are taking the common terms. So x here, only x is possible. There is no numerical value. So x we can take common. The remaining inside is x plus of 10. X we took already common, means only 10 will remain inside. So plus of, here 2 and 20 are there. So is it common terms are there? Yes, in 2 table 20 will come definitely. So we can take 2 as the common term. So if you take 2 outside, the inside term is x plus 2 10s are 20. So our bracket term, observe, it is similar. So x plus 10 is the one factor and another factor is x plus 2. Now we got all our factors, all factors. First we will write this one, that is x plus 1, which we divided. Then after that write other two factors which we got, x plus of 10 and x plus of 2. This is our third problem. Let's move it towards our fourth problem. So fourth problem, that is 2y cube plus of y square, y to the power 1, y to the power 0. So the equation is perfect. So after that, what you have to observe? You have to observe the constant term. So constant term is 1. So it is easy because it is either it is a positive one or it is a minus 1. So just check it out, that one. First we will consider p of 1 is. So that means x is equal to 1 we are considering. Okay. So 2 into 1 cube plus of 1 square minus of 2 into 1 minus of 1. So 2 into 1, 1 cube is 1. So 2 into 1 is 2 plus of 1 square is 1 minus 2 into 1, that is minus 2 minus 1. So it is plus 1 minus 2 plus 2. So it is 0. That means our x is equal to 1. That time we can get answer as 0. That means x minus 1 is our required factor. Yes, so if x minus 1 is the factor, then you have to divide this given equation, given polynomial by x minus 1. So by long division method, 2y cube plus of y square minus of 2y minus of 1 divided by x minus 1. Okay, so now you know the method how to divide the terms. So first term you take it 2y cube, which is divided by, sorry, why I took x, this is y. Okay, so y is equal to, because they have given y, so to consider as the y. So y is equal to y minus 1. So it is 2y cube divided by y. So y in y cube, y when cancel means 2y square. So 2y square. 2y square into y, that is 2y cube plus of 2y square minus of 2y square. Okay. Change the sign. Positive get changes to negative and negative get changes to positive. It will get cancelled. Plus y square plus 2y square. So both the terms are plus, means 3y square minus of 2y minus of 1. Now 3y square divided by y. Y in y square, y get cancelled means remaining is 3y. Observe the sign, as it is the positive, so it is positive. So 3y. So 3y into y, that is 3y square. 3y minus of 1. So minus 3y. Now change the sign. Positive get changes to negative. Negative get changes to positive. So it will get cancelled. Now in plus 3 minus 2. So the positive sign will be positive. In 3 you are subtracting 2, means remaining is y minus 1. So in y divided by y get cancelled, remaining is 1. So that means in quotient you are writing 1. 1 into y, that is y. 1 into minus 1, that is minus 1. Plus into minus is minus. So change the sign. Positive to negative, negative to positive. So as positive and negative cancel, negative and positive will get cancelled. Remainder is 0. That means this much whatever we have solved, that is right. Now you got the equation, that is the quotient term. So that is 2y cube plus of y square minus of 2y minus of, why I wrote whole equation, sorry. So consider this quadratic equation, 2y square plus of 3y plus of 1. So now observe the terms, 2 into 1. So that is equal to 2 you should get. Multiplying by the terms you should get 2, and middle term you should get by adding or subtracting. So that is 3. So 2 ones are 2 you can do, and 2 plus 1. So 3y can be splitted or factorized as 2y 1y. So positive and positive. So you can now factorize the term. So 2y square. So 3y can be splitted as plus of 2y plus of 1y plus of 1. Even you can write as a y. So here 2y square and 2y. So we can take the 2 as the common term, and even we can take y common from these terms. Yes. So 2y, if you are taking common, means 2 already came outside. So here it is 1. So from y square, y came outside, remaining is y, plus of 2 already came outside, y also came, means remaining is only 1. So here plus 1, as it is the 1. So y plus 1 is remaining. So the terms, factors, what we got, so y plus 1, the bracket term. Outside the bracket terms are in another bracket, 2y plus of 1. So from this we can write all the factors as, first one is y minus 1, second y plus 1, and 2y plus of 1. So this is about 4.4, fifth problem, last one. In next class we will continue with next exercise problem, next concept. So this much whatever we have discussed, that all are there in your examination. So prepare well, solve the problems with every proper step, and in lines and angles some students are missing in writing the reasons. So I told you at every time you have to write reason for every steps. So don't make such mistake. So correct whatever you have did the mistake in previous classes, that you correct it yourself, and read properly, practice properly by taking pen and paper, because maths will not come by reading. So you have to practice and solve. So all the best. So if you have any doubt, you can ask with me. Okay.